Hello there, welcome to my video. Okay, today on this video we are talking about the bowling. Okay, yeah, okay, wait, I'll show you how. Look, in a bowling you must yeah. Yes. 10. This I don't know. This no. Okay. 10. You must hit 10. Yes. You can have a many points. Yeah. In a bowling. So yes, you must do practice. If you don't can bowling, you have to practice. If you can bowling, and then you haven't. You must not do practice then. If you can. If you can't bowling, then you must do practice. Okay, so the bowling. Wait. You must do run and this. Yes, maybe 3. Good. In a 3. No. In a 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. No. I missed it. Yeah, so. Bowling. Yeah. Do you like bowling? Well, I like bowling, but it's a bit hard. You must do practice. Yes, your skills. Yeah, it's hard, I know. What I can do about it. Okay, so yes, the bowling I like most is the points. Yes, I like points. You must down 10. Yes. 10 is good because you can get point. Yeah. Okay, remember 10. You must hit the the ball and yes. Yeah. I stick. Not the really stick, but I don't know how this called. Okay. No, it's not the racket. No, it's not. It's a different. I don't know. So the bowling. Most you must get a point. Yeah. If you if you knock it 1, then it will be 2 points, perhaps. Yeah. Okay, I don't know the rest. I know on only 10. Yes, because it's easy and you can get a lot of points. Yes. Knock it 10. Yes. If you knock it 10, then yeah. So yeah, so bowling. Oh, I like. Okay. We see you again next time. Okay. Bye.